Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your nickname on Nintendo Wii console. So to do this, you'll need to go to this button, Wii, right here, press A on it. Then go to Wii settings, press A again. Now select console nickname and press on the nickname that is already written there, and from here you'll be able to choose whatever nickname you want. I'm just gonna add one. Sorry. And if your nickname is ready, just press OK. Then confirm. And your nickname is changed. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.